going on, guys? Currently on the way to pick Meg up. Yeah, she's coming with me today because we're gonna do the other business later, and I have a lot of stock with me, and it's up to 3 steps, and I just don't think I'm gonna be able to do it myself. So she hit me up before, and I was like, yeah, God put her there to help me climb 3 steps because she's got some freakishly good strength, actually. So shout out to Meg. So next clip you'll see Meg. Meg's there.
Hello.
She's going to help me with the strong muscles, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very early.
Very early. It's 25 to 8.
It's not even that early.
It is. I've been up since 6, you know.
Yeah, I wondered why you messaged me so early.
I've had a headache here for like 2 days straight.
Might be eye.
Oh yeah. See, I've got one on this side now.
I have noticed that.
Anyway, right, we'll see you at the location. Peace. We're gonna go and see if we can get inside. It was shut when we drove past. We've waited about 10 minutes, and now we're gonna go see if it's actually open. So yeah, peace. Oh, I'm confused. Well, it must be cash. Let's just change 16 and try it.
No.
That would be safe and sorry, innit?
Literally.
Right, let's go.
Nice.
But
Piece of cardboard.
it works, you know.
That's how to control the vending machine.
It works.
Done.
Hi guys.
There's a car there.
Just nearly crashed.
Into a stationary vehicle.
Not going.
No good.
Yeah, we just filled up. Sorry we didn't film too much because we was under a bit of a time restraint. Constraint. So she said parking there next time, didn't she? Calm. Yeah. Gotta be home in 7 minutes.
Yeah, 7 minutes without 3 minutes away.
That's how we do things here. Worth it though. I'm so excited. I think it's got really good potential.
Oh, 100%. The staff are lovely.
Oh yeah, staff are really nice. So shout out to my guy that sold it to me. I don't know if he wants his name mentioned, so I'm just not going to mention it, but he knows who he is.
We'll just go by my guy.
don't know who watches. Probably not.
You don't watch.
But he pretty much mentors me, so yeah. That's why it's good to make relationships in this industry. He was the first person I ever bought a vending machine off. So yeah.
Vending friends.
So yeah. We took some stock out that we didn't think would like don't hold us against this, but me and Megan fucking hate bounties, right? And I've never ever sold any bounties, so I took them out. Probably give them to my mum.
Nah, bounties are rank. Nasty. Cursed.
To be fair though, there is people in there that are about my mum's age, so
yeah. I mean, my mum don't like bounties.
yeah, my mum and dad love a bounty.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, both mine hate them.
Oh, I just hate coconut, man.
That's what it is.
I had a really bad.
My dad might like them actually.
I had a really bad situation in primary school where they put coconut on a cake, on top of a cake, and I threw up.
Oh yeah, coconut cake.
Yeah.
Mhm. Nah, that's fair. I avoided that cake.
Oh, it's
I had the jam roly poly.
oh, do you know when you're swallowing it?
Hurts.
Oh, yeah.
The bubbles. Fizzy bubbler. Go on, Sheila.
I feel like I'm really calm considering it's been only 5 minutes.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing you can do about it. We ain't getting there in 5.
Nah.
Unless you
That's
can
what I mean.
teleport.
There's nothing I can do about it. It's no point
Might as well have a
panicking.
nice drive.
Might as well. Let's put some music on. Right, we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. just woke up, so please allow this. Right, so yeah, I didn't film too much because as you heard in the video, we was under a little bit of a time constraint. I think that's the word Meg said. But yeah, so we kind of just went in. I needed Meg there because we had to go up 3 steps, but now someone told me I can park around the back and we can use a ramp. But yeah, so it's in a office, like it's in an office building, but it's got multiple businesses in that office. It's one of them industry things, businesses. So yeah, so I bought the machine on location. It's currently doing like just around £300 a month. I didn't pay too much for it. I'm not gonna tell you how much I paid for it. But yeah, it's one of them. It's not open on a weekend. It's just open normal business hours. However, it said it's only open 8 till 5, but then I randomly see like 7 o'clock sales at night. So I don't know if they got like a security guard on, but I don't know. So yeah, it's one of them where I just kind of wanted something where I could challenge myself a little bit, see if I can make it do a little bit more, even though it's only open 5 days a week, not 7, and not 24 hours either. It's only open, I think it's only open like 8 or 9 hours. So yeah, that's kind of my thought process. If I can get it to do 450 a month, I'll be happy with that. Obviously I'm not expecting it to be doing what my other machines are doing, like over 1,000. I'm not expecting that at all. If it does that, then brilliant, but I'm not expecting that. It's unrealistic. But yeah. Yeah, sorry this video isn't massively long. I'm kind of wanting to do some short ones just to see how they actually do on YouTube. But yeah, if you haven't enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Follow my Instagram here. But yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cue the outro.
10 toes down, I'm a ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money